So I am in Taipei, and I know you guys are wondering what is going on. Rans, what are you doing in Taiwan? And honestly, all I could say is this is God. Because never in my life did I imagine coming to Taiwan, much less even coming to Taiwan on an all expense paid trip. And I just have to say, to God be the glory. So when I was asked to come on this trip, David, one of the Taiwanese who works in St. Vincent, came to the office and he was like, you know, we wanted to make a presentation for the Taiwanese people and so on and so forth. So I'm like, okay, sure, no problem. You send me the Zoom link. And then he was like, Zoom? No, we want you to go to Taiwan. And I was like, what? Tracy was at the office and some others were at the office as well. And they could testify that I was like so shocked because I don't know if this is COVID. This is 100% COVID because whenever since COVID, whenever I hear about meetings or doing presentations, my first thought is Zoom. So I legitimately wasn't thinking about coming to Taiwan. And I have been like so excited for weeks upon weeks. And I'm like, I hope nothing goes wrong. I really want to make sure that this trip goes well and so on. And finally, I'm here. So what I'm going to be doing in Taiwan, I'm going to be giving a presentation talking about my business, My Crown of Curls, and talking about how I use the grant money to further my business. If you do not know, I won a grant late last year. It was the Women Empowerment Project, and we had several grants that were given out to several Vincentian women, and I was one of the top 3 persons who got the business plan competition grant, right? So they must have been super impressed by my presentation, why I am here right now. And I'm so excited. And I'm just going to show you guys everything Taiwan. For the next week, this is just gonna be a Taiwan channel. I really should have learned Mandarin. If I had known before, I might have tried to pick up something, but so far, what I know is Ni hao. Don't crucify me if that is wrong, but I feel like that is hello. So, one word in my belt. But without further ado, let's do this room tour. So when you enter the room, the first thing that you will see is the wardrobe. I've already laid out my clothes, put away my shoes and my suitcase and all that. I love the carpeting. The room looks very fancy, I must say. Let me take you into the bathroom. As you can see, I have a robe. Definitely looking forward to putting that on later. There is the bathroom here. And then we have a tub. Let me see, shampoo and conditioner and gels and so on here. Then there is the shower. So the shower and the tub are actually in the same room. We have our towels and all that jazz, right? Hey, this is me and my spaceship. This is a rig that I bought for my phone because my phone is gonna be my primary source of content creation while I'm here. I didn't bring my cameras because those were too heavy. Couldn't lug around with all of that, right? So as you guys know, I already laid out my products, all of my products, my hair growth elixirs, my butters, my everything, my perfume, my my toothbrush, right? So there are glasses that came with this, and we have our towels. These are cute. Let me see. So there's a shaver here. We have sanitary napkins. We have toothbrush and toothpaste, and all sorts of stuff, even a comb. So they thought of everything. So that's nice. And if you look, you can see the bed right through there. There's also an additional mirror. So that's awesome, right? Coming out of the bathroom, there is a full-length mirror. Who doesn't love a full-length mirror? Amazing. And then there is this lounge chair here. Looking forward to sitting on there. And from this angle, you can pretty much see the entire room. That's the bed. Pretty good sized bed for one person. And I have a night table and some other stuff. Complimentary water. I have a TV. They set me up with a Wi-Fi router so I could walk around with it and I have Wi-Fi. Here is my laptop. This might be my designated workstation, or I may work over here, which looks really cool and fancy. Okay, as you can see, I have my tripod here. Love it. I'm charging my phone. Well, no, I'll charge my phone there. The amazing thing is on both sides of the bed they have these plugs, so that's really cool. And when I came in, I saw a complimentary card. I also saw snacks. So these are the snacks that I saw. And then I realized, look at me, I have a little mini fridge. So the only thing that I'm really going to drink in here would probably be the water, maybe the Sprite, but I don't drink Coke, so that's a waste. I might see if I get those exchanged. And I have a little kettle. I also have a tea set area, so that's cool, and a phone, and several notepad stuff that I could write down here. Here we have our curtain. I know you want to see beyond the curtain. Okay, so the curtain is up, and ladies and gentlemen, this is my view in Taipei. Wow, really cool, really pretty. I want to look down. There's a pool down there. It seems like there is a spa over on that side. There is also, well, lots of traffic. Everybody in the hustle and bustle. And I think I'll just, oh, there's a gym there too. I'll just probably just walk around the building and see what's happening. But I don't think I'm going to do that now because I am extremely tired. I have been flying for 2 days to get here. My last leg was like 14.5 hours, and then I had to wait another hours clearing customs and immigration. So yeah, I am tired. So I'm going to, take a shower and just relax. Okay, because I want to be shooting out these vlogs. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with a friend. Alright.